Hey guys and gals, I wanted to do a quick welcome video to help you transition into the online life. So I have some few things to talk to you about, but the first thing that I want to remind you is that we're going to have to be patient and we're going to have to be flexible. I want you to be patient with me as I start building things online. Although we have a lot of the infrastructure there, we're just going to be adding a few things. Be patient with each other and with yourself. This is not going to be a perfect situation, but that's okay. We're still going to learn, we're still going to interact with each other, and we're still going to be okay. What we're not going to do is meet with each other using Zoom because it's going to not work consistently. It's going to get overloaded really quickly. So what we're going to do is you're going to be able to work as you can. Just work based off of the already existing due dates and make sure you're watching videos as they're posted. Which brings me up to a good point. You are going to be missing class, right? So we're going to need to figure out how are you going to get value out of it as me being around while we're not having class. And so sometimes I'm going to be posting video lectures like this one. Sometimes I'm going to post TED Talks and a variety of different other resources for you to watch on the content area for that day or for that week. So just watch those as they're posted. I'll try to post at the beginning of the week and not multiple times in the week. But every now and then there may be more than one video in a week, and we're just going to have to adjust and just watch them as you see them pop up. And sometimes there might not be a video, and that's okay. We're just going to go with the flow. What you should do is continue with reading the journals and reading your textbook, writing the journals and reading your textbook, just like you have been. Just stay up to date with that. All the due dates are going to stay the same. With the video lectures, treat them as if it was in class. So just like you would any of your other classes, when you are about to watch a video, take out pencil and paper and take notes. I know that sounds crazy, but that will save you from having to watch over and over or ask me some unnecessary questions, which is really what I'm trying to avoid. Due dates stay the same. I'll be adding more assignments to make up for quizzes that aren't posted yet and to make up for missing in-class activities. Those will sometimes be short papers, sometimes they'll be posting on a discussion board or watching a TED Talk and doing something, but I'll be posting things throughout to finish up those activity grades. Those are the main things. If you have issues with the internet, please let me know as soon as possible. At least with this class, you're not going to have to post any videos or anything like that. But if you don't have access to the internet, it will be hard. Let's figure out how to deal with that as soon as possible. One last thing, I'm going to have a couple of discussion boards. One where you can just interact with each other, sharing what joy you're finding. So you can post links for things that are bringing you joy. You can post stories or just different things that you're experiencing right now, because I think we're getting a whole lot of negativity, but we're not getting encouraged much, and we're not laughing and smiling so much. And so I want to make sure that that's purposefully included in this class. So there'll be a discussion board for that. And there will also be a discussion board where you can ask me questions. I'll try to check it at least every other day, but as quickly as I can. The final thing that I want to talk about, I know I said that this is the final thing like 5 times at this point, but you're going to bear with me. The final thing that I want to talk about is, as you have questions, yes, I want you to email me, but make sure that the answer to your question isn't posted elsewhere, and you should still reach out to your posse before you reach out to me. The reason why I say that is because when classes go online, the amount of communication between students and teachers via email increases so much that it really is going to slow me down on being able to respond, on giving you feedback and things like that. And so if you can reduce the amount that you're emailing me, unless it's really necessary, like you need clarification on feedback or something like that, that will be helpful. And if you have a quick question, you can text me. But again, make sure that the information that you're trying to get is not located anywhere else and that your posse members don't already have that information. With that said, that's all I have. I'm going to try to keep these video lectures as quick and short as possible because our attention spans are not that great. So that's all I got to say today. See ya.